In a dim twilight, I saw a huge crowd walking. Many people gathered together, walking, standing, and sitting. Many walk following a narrow track, but a man is walking with a cross on his back. All followers singing, except the lonely man. Why, in the heaviness of life, do you follow the light? He said, I am willing to lose my life for the sake of life. Why walk in this rocky road? With the crossway as the world, he closes his eyes and his hands unfold. But when I open my eyes, the cross becomes shade to all the birds of the skies. The hands of the cross flew a living water, which gives life to the wayside flowers. He said, I carry this cross for others. When the sun is at its zenith, the cross stood at the mountain summit. Look up, I will go to the place called Eden. I asked, how will you go up then? He said, this cross is the ladder to heaven.